Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the August VIX contract settled, and it settled 28.76. Now, if you look at the VIX right now, that's quite high. The VIX currently is more in the 26 range. A couple things have happened. There was a monster rally after the crude number. So the S&P climbed 18 points. It was down 11 on the open. Now it's up about 7. And you'll see that movement in both the VIX cash. The VIX cash opened around 28 and is now down to about 26. And you'll also see it in the futures. The September future, the second month future, opened up about 29.70 and is now down to 28. But the print was still high, even considering the big rally we've had. The VIX cash measures the midpoint of where all S&P 500 options are trading. But the VIX print is on the print of the traded prices on the opening rotation of September S&P 500 options. So today, if you pull up SPX in your option viewer, you'll see a ton of volume go up on the all of the out-of-the-money puts, out-of-the-money calls in the September S&P 500 contract. Now, when that volume goes up about where the market midpoint is, you get a print that's close to the market midpoint. Today there was a very big buyer, and it pushed the VIX print up probably 75 cents over where the midpoint would have been, about 28. But they were buying a ton of out-of-the-money puts. The 500s, the 550s, the 575s traded 30 cents. So generally there's more of a mix of buyers and sellers. Today, one big buyer and not as many people stepping up to sell at the traded prices made a VIX print that was much closer to the ask price of the VIX than the midpoint. So 28.76 is the print. We're about 26.20 right now. 18-point S&P 500 rally, and the print going up closer to the ask. In trading today, we've seen vol come in considerably. With that rally, you had the September future dropping from 29.70 to about 28, and a lot of people are selling downside puts. The 25 strike, seeing a lot of action on the sell side there. As the VIX gets closer to that downside, people are not believing that it could really burst through 25. They're seeing a rally today, but they're not pricing as much of a possibility as would be indicated by the movement that we can really go to the 22 range, to the 20 range. So that's the type of paper we're seeing today. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1, VIX prints 28.76.